Hey, welcome. We're going to do Module 4, Task 7. We all scream for ice cream. The first question is an algebraic expression, and this is if you have so large any person can eat in 30 minutes, it's $60, and we don't know how many people there are. So the amount of payment is going to be 60, the total payment, divided by the number of people, which is X. At the last minute, one person decides they can't go. So at this point, given that X is the number in the original group, the new expression would be 60 over X minus 1. And then it turns out that it's $2 more that they would have to pay if everyone in the original group had shared it. So the original, which was 60 over X plus 2 more, is going to equal the new payment, which is 60 over X minus 1. So in order to solve for X here, we're going to go ahead and go with the common denominator. And to do that, let's noticing the denominators are X and X minus 1, I'm going to use multiply by X minus 1 over X minus 1. And again, X minus 1 over X minus 1. Also times X here. And over here, I'm going to multiply by X times X minus 1. Okay. And so now I have a common denominator. So I can multiply this out. Everything's over X times X minus 1. And my numerators, which are going to be equal now, are going to be 60x minus 60 plus 2x squared minus 2x. On the other side, I have 60x. Okay, and one of the things I notice is I can get rid of the 60x on both sides. So now we've got 2x squared minus 2x minus 60 is equal to 0, or x squared minus x minus 30 is equal to 0 if we divide both sides by 2. That we can factor, and we get x minus 6 times x plus 5 is equal to 0. And x, if you remember, was the number in the group. So if x equals -5, you can't have -5 people in the group. However, x equals 6 should be a solution here. So we're going to say that there were 6 people in the original group. The way to test this would be to plug in 6 into the original equation, which is here, plus 2 equals this, so we can do that. So we can say 60 over 6 plus 2 should be equal to 60 over 6 minus 1. Okay, so if we do that, 60 over 5 is equal to 10 plus 2. 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, that is correct.